to his name. He has done well. Good average, decent strike rate, more than decent strike rate. They need all this for the Bulldozers to win today. It's Rajiv and Bhaskar will have to play a stellar role for the side.
.162 is the target, and Jiva has got a ball in his hand. He'll open the innings for Chennai Rhinos. Starts with a full toss, and they go for a quick single. And there is a direct hit, but they make it easily. I envy sometimes these all-rounders, Sabha. Jiva, who opened the innings with his bat, failed with the bat, but he's got another chance in this game with a ball in his hand.
Bulldozers dugout, and that's the owner of Mumbai Heroes.
Rajiv, he's the main man as far as Karnataka Bulldozers are concerned. He's been in terrific form this season. He had a 90 odd and then went on to notch up his first CCL 100, 154 being his best, 79 averaging, 250s and 100, magnificent strike rate of 195. That would make any batsman proud. 7 matches, just 2 short of 400 mark. He's having a dream run. And he connects the first one, but it goes straight to mid-off.
Lovely boy, lovely!
He's got to play a different role today, Rajiv. They're chasing. He has to be more sensible and try and be more precise with his shot selection. But yes, it's been a match winner for them in this entire tournament. The day he has fired, they have won quite comfortably, the Bulldozers. It's the finals. There will be pressure on Rajiv also to perform once again. And all that counts when you set yourself to play the big shots.
Well, you said it, Sabha. This time they're chasing the score. Every time Rajiv has scored, they've set the target. It's different kind of bowling. I beg your pardon, batting. When you're setting the target, and they start off in style. Full toss, that's been put away, straight back behind the bowler.
Huge delivery, full toss, but still he had to put it away. He does that quite well between the bowler and mid-on. So the dugout of the Bulldozers, they'll be so anxious. They want to get off to a good start. They would be hoping that both these players can do that for them. He'll get another single. That's very well placed by Rajiv. That's what he's capable of. He can play the big shots quite easily. Then he puts the ball in the gaps between fielders and he runs hard. So he's a great package for his side.
Oh, class shot, a terrific cover drive. They have started in a great fashion, Karnataka Bulldozers. The very first over, have notched up 13 runs. They still have a ball left.
A lethal pair, Bhaskar and Rajiv. Rajiv on one hand is more brutal, and Bhaskar more clinical in his execution. That's what we saw with that shot. He just caressed it. So after one is 13 for none.